Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is now part 6 of how to build a bedroom, and this comes after the parts where I installed a window, where I installed an intermediate floor and made a storage area under the stairs. After that I demolished the stairways, which you can see in part 2, 3 and 4. And now the only concrete part left in the basement is the platform. So in this video I start to demolish the platform, and during demolishing I realized that the platform will still help me to install the drywall ceiling. So I leave the platform, and the next video will show you how I start to insulate the ceiling and put the drywall ceiling and the lights. So enjoy this video and tune in for more until the bedroom is finally finished. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
So first I had to sweep and shuffle the dirt from the last few days away, and then I could get on with the platform. So I used the 12mm drill from Bosch, the long one, first. I then realized that it just takes too much effort, or too much force to put it through, so I changed it to a shorter hilted drill. It bites a little bit better, and pre-drilled the whole holes, as you can see in the video. After pre-drilling the holes, I switched back to the long Bosch drill. First I had to chisel away a little bit of the tiles as well, so I could drill the holes until to the wall. I used a longer drill then to drill the holes completely through. If they go through, then the concrete will crack through with the demolition hammer. You can see the pattern I made: 2 long lines of holes and then some cross holes to get out sections. You can see it in these pictures now.